Hello, I am Jamie Flanagan, your local real estate agent, and today I wanted to give you a few tips on how to sell your home on your own without an agent. My hopes in doing this is that if you ever decide that you have questions or need help with the process, that you'll give me a call and at least give us the opportunity to interview to work with you. So to start off, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. We are always adding new videos, new content, replacing content, so follow along and subscribe. All right, so first tip that I have for you guys is don't just let anyone into your home. I know this might sound like common sense, but as a person who wants to please everybody all the time, I personally want to just go show houses to anybody. However, that doesn't mean they can actually buy the home. So it's very important to ask the people who are coming to look at your home if they've already been pre-approved, and then check on when the pre-approval was actually completed, because you want to make sure it's recent and nothing has changed, especially with jobs being furloughed, etc. during COVID. So that's my first piece of advice, is to make sure that before showing the home, the client that you're showing it to is actually in a position to be able to purchase your home. I have a couple great lenders. If you need a referral, please reach out. All right, so my next piece of advice is before taking any photos, depersonalize and declutter the home. I can't tell you how often I go through Zillow and see photos of houses that you can hardly even tell what's going on in the house because there's so much stuff. And it is hard when we're moving. That's when we're taking stuff out and we're putting it, in the corner and trying to organize. So I totally get it. Storage areas and garages are a great place to store stuff. Those don't get photographed usually, so it's going to be better than if it's like in the living room or the bedrooms. And then with that being said, you also want to depersonalize your listing description. So oftentimes, and I just recently sold my own home, so I totally get it. You have memories in the house. You want to share how awesome the house was and how awesome it was for your family. So sometimes we'll put in the listing, or I'll see in the listing, like, great, the backyard was amazing. My kids walked to school. And what I want to encourage you to do is remove the specific things about your family, because somebody without kids might be moving into that home and they might not care about that. So you could say close to schools, easy to walk to, or things of that nature. You don't want to, this awesome playroom, my kids built forts in here, things like that. Just remove those and use, spacious extra den, or things that somebody could interpret and use the space however they wanted, because everyone is going to be using the space a little bit differently than how you used it. And it's hard to take those memories out. I can speak from personal experience. I've sold multiple homes of my own. So yes, I just encourage you to read your listing description. I am here to help. So if you want to send me over a link to your listing, I will happily give you some feedback and hopefully you sell your home on your own. And if you're willing to work with a buyer's agent, we always have a very solid list of buyers in the area. And we love working with for sale by owner clients. So please keep us in mind, or let us know if you're listing your home soon and it's not on the market. We would love to see it. So again, I'm Jamie Flanagan, and I can be reached at 402-980-7972. Again, subscribe to my channel. And I do have a blog on my website at thebigpicturerealestategroup.com. Again, that's bigpicturerealestategroup.com. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.